Everyone thinks the best-selling remote control drift car is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, ACMMZAR 124 RC Drift Car. Let's kick things off with the ACMMZAR RC Drift Car. Priced at $35.99, this little beast caught my attention for its sleek design and high speed. If you want an affordable yet thrilling drift experience, this is worth a serious look. The remote control works from up to 50 meters away, so you can really let it rip. Plus, it comes with 2 batteries that provide a total of 50 minutes of playtime, which is fantastic for extended racing sessions. With headlights and taillights, you'll be able to enjoy night races too. Now, some people complained about the build quality being a bit plasticky. Here's the thing though, for the price, you're getting a great entry-level drift car that's perfect for beginners. If you're expecting a pro-level racer, this might not be the one for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun, affordable drift car to get started with. Skip this one if you're a seasoned pro looking for advanced features, but for the price, it offers serious value. Now, if the build quality of the ACMMZAR bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ACMMZAR 124 RC Drift Car with LED. Next up is another from ACMMZAR, this one also 124 scale but priced a bit lower at $32.99. The LED lights grabbed my attention right away, making it stand out from the pack. If you want something that looks cool while you drift, this is definitely worth a look. The inclusion of LED lights not only boosts visibility, but also adds a fun aesthetic for nighttime racing. With the same 2 batteries, you also get that solid 50 minutes of run time. If you're practicing or racing, the adjustable speed settings make it beginner-friendly while still allowing for advanced stunts. However, I did notice some users felt that the remote control could be a bit unresponsive at times. But honestly, for a beginner's car, I think this slight hiccup is manageable, especially when you consider the price and features. This car is perfect for you if you want a stylish drift car that's easy to handle. Skip this one if you're aiming for high-end performance, but it's an excellent choice for casual fun and learning. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a bit more performance. Product number 3, Seikai 116 RC Drift Car. Moving on to the Seikai 116 RC Drift Car priced at $24.99. I was surprised by how budget-friendly this guy is while still delivering fun. If you want a solid drifting experience without breaking the bank, this is a great option to consider. The 4WD system allows for smooth control, and its max speed is 18 km/h, which is totally respectable. The durable shell means it can take a beating, reducing your worries about damage during those wild drifting sessions. You also get LED lights for some extra flair, and the 2 rechargeable batteries extend your playtime to almost 40 minutes. The removable and replaceable tires are a nice touch, giving you the flexibility to switch between drifting and racing. Some users mention that the car can struggle on rough surfaces, which is something to keep in mind. But here's the thing, if you're mainly using it on smooth indoor surfaces or well-maintained outdoor areas, it performs pretty well and gives you that drifting thrill. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly car that can handle some fun tricks. Skip this one if you plan to race it on rough terrain, but for the price, it's a fantastic entry-level choice. Now, if that last product's surface limitations worry you, the next car is built to tackle a variety of terrains. Product number 4, Seikai 116 RC Drift Car with Sprayer. Next, we have another from Seikai, this slightly more advanced model priced at $39.99. What caught my eye? The cool sprayer feature that adds a unique twist to your drifting experience. If you want something that stands out at the track, this one's worth a look. This RC car also features a 4WD system and can hit speeds of 18 km/h. The sprayer adds an exciting element, creating a mist effect while you race, which really ups the fun factor. Plus, with 2 rechargeable batteries, you get about 40 minutes of racing time. The 4 GHz technology allows for multiple cars to race without interference, which is perfect for group play. However, some users did find the sprayer a bit gimmicky and unnecessary. But I'll be real with you, if you're looking for a fun way to entertain kids or friends, it adds a unique flair that makes racing more exciting. This is perfect for you if you want to impress your friends with a fun feature. Skip this one if you're looking for something super serious about performance, but it's great for casual racing with a twist. Now, for those of you who appreciate a bit more style and functionality, the last product on my list might just be what you're looking for. Product number 5, Kayazith 124 Scale Drift Car. Finally, we have the Kayazith 124 Scale Drift Car, priced at $32.99. This car caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive features. If you want something that looks as good as it drives, this is definitely worth considering. This RC car combines a high-toughness PVC body with a tri-zone LED lighting system for nighttime visibility. You also have the option to switch between drift and racing tires quickly, adapting to different surfaces with ease. And with 50 minutes of playtime from dual batteries, you can really enjoy extended racing sessions. Some users felt that the price is a bit high compared to simpler models. Here's the thing though, the quality, design, and features you get here are worth that extra investment, especially for someone serious about RC racing. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality RC car that looks great and performs well. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple, no-frills car, but if you appreciate the finer details, it's a fantastic choice. In conclusion, whether you're a beginner or looking to up your drifting game, any of these 5 options can provide hours of fun. From the budget-friendly Sekai models to the stylish Kayazith, there's something for everyone. To wrap things up, we've covered 5 awesome remote-controlled drift cars, each with its own unique strengths. If you're just starting out, the ACAMMZAR models are fantastic choices. For a bit more flair, check out the Sekai with the sprayer. And if you want something that looks as good as it performs, the Kayazith is a top-notch option. No matter your choice, you're in for a fun ride.